Lifetime is the world's leading manufacturer of residential basketball hoops, offering systems that fit everyone's game. We make hoops that let you play basketball the way it's meant to be played, for fun, with family and friends, right at home. This Lifetime portable basketball system features a 44-inch impact backboard. Constructed of high-density polyethylene, this durable backboard provides good performance and is virtually unbreakable, making it the perfect starter system. The graphics are screen-printed with UV-protected inks to ensure they will not fade or peel over time. With a Lifetime Classic Rim, you can show off your jump shot and enjoy great competition with friends. Our Classic Rim is built of 5/8-inch solid steel with half-inch steel braces. We also include an all-weather heavy-duty nylon net that gives you the perfect swoosh to your shot. The telescoping height adjustment easily adjusts your basketball hoop from 7.5 to 10 feet high. With no tools required, our system adjusts in 6-inch increments, letting you enjoy the game at multiple levels. Our 3-piece round steel pole has a durable powder-coated finish that prevents rusting, chipping, or peeling. This long-lasting finish ensures that the system will last for years to come. Lifetime's portable basketball system comes with a heavy-duty 27-gallon portable base that can be filled with sand or water and easily rolled to a desired location. With a 5-year limited warranty, this system from Lifetime Products is sure to provide years of family fun. So let Lifetime bring the arena to your home with our portable basketball systems. Our quality construction and innovative designs will transform the way you play. For every player, it's the rhythmic beat of a ball against the ground, the thrill of the play, and the feel of the ball in hand that creates the perfect game. Lifetime Products has a love of the game. As the world's leading manufacturer of residential basketball hoops, we make hoops that let you play basketball the way it was meant to be played, for fun, with family and friends, right at home. Featuring a 52-inch steel frame shatterproof backboard, this basketball system from Lifetime Products creates a clear professional look for your system. This durable backboard combines great performance with the look of a pro glass hoop. The steel frame provides added durability and rigidity to the backboard, and the graphics are UV protected to resist fading and peeling. With a Lifetime Slam It Rim, you can show off your dunking skills and enjoy great competition with friends. Featuring durable compression springs, our Slam It Rim is built of 5/8-inch solid steel with half-inch steel braces. We also include an all-weather heavy-duty nylon net that gives you the perfect swoosh to your shot. The action grip easily adjusts with one hand, bringing the game to your level. The counterbalance springs do most of the work for you, adjusting the rim height from 7.5 to 10 feet in 6-inch increments. Our 3-piece, 3.5-inch round steel pole has a durable powder-coated finish that prevents rusting, chipping, or peeling. This long-lasting finish ensures that the system will last for years to come. The system also comes with a heavy-duty 35-gallon portable base that can easily be filled with sand or water and rolled to a desired location. The straight, round extension arms on this basketball system provide a 22-inch offset from pole to backboard to allow plenty of room for exciting action beneath the basket. With a 6-year limited warranty, this system from Lifetime Products is sure to provide years of family fun. So enjoy exciting basketball competition at your own convenience, in your own yard, with a top-quality hoop from Lifetime Products.
The Silverback SB60 and SB54 in-ground basketball goals offer unmatched durability and stability. This rock-solid base reduces vibration and allows you the flexibility of removing and reinstalling the goal in a new location if you decide to move homes. Just like college and professional level goals, the tempered glass backboard on the Silverback SB60 and SB54 offers the truest rebound for authentic play. The Silverback SB60 and SB54 is great for families with easy height adjustability from 7.5 to 10 feet with a crank actuator to allow children of all ages to play on the goal. Completing the goal is a breakaway rim that flexes under pressure using an internal spring system that protects the players and the integrity of the backboard. Your basketball goal is going to take a beating. Make sure your goal is up to the task. Silverback.